Alright, so we just read the book Bear Snores On, and so now here are the writing instructions for the book. So parents, if you could set up a simple piece of paper at home like this with a space for a picture and then some kindergarten writing lines on the bottom. And then the prompt for the Bear Snores On is, which animal do you want to be? So we had Mouse, who was lighting a fire. We had Hare, who was making black tea and popcorn. Badger brought honey nuts, and I looked up what honey nuts are. They're just nuts roasted in honey, so you know, sweet roasted nuts. Gopher and Mole, they came in through the floor, and Wren and Raven are birds, and they flew into the den. So the prompt will be set up like this, and parents, you can help your child set this up. I want to be blank, so you put the animal here because, and then, you know, finish the sentence, and you can help your child as needed. So you could say, I want to be Mouse because Mouse lit a fire in the den. I want to be Badger because Badger brought honey nuts. And then your child will draw a picture, and that is the writing assignment for Bear Snores On.